week 2 and final week of this project. And yeah, this one went smooth, way faster than our previous project. Everything just lined up perfectly. And honestly, having all the materials on time, that already tells you this project was meant to flow. As you saw in the last video, the rails were already installed. So this week was all about wiring, J-boxes, panels, and final details. Now, the J-box. There was a lot of wire in there. I opened it and just stood there for a second like, alright, let's take this step by step. It looked a little crazy at first, but once everything is organized, clean as always. Around each attachment point, we installed E-curbs, those round pieces you see, then sealed everything with silicone to protect the roof and prevent any leaks. Because a clean install is not just about how it looks, it's about making sure it lasts. After that, panels went up, everything got cleaned up, and the final result came out super clean. And with the Pasadena mountains in the background, this one just looks too nice. Now for the electrical side, this project had 14 combiner boxes and 14 disconnects, since each apartment has its own individual solar system. That's honestly next level. Every unit fully independent. At this point, yeah, I wouldn't mind living here. Overall, smooth project, clean work, everything done right. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.